Bivariate Data Unit 3 test. Number 1. On a map scale, 2 inches represents 60 miles. Which graph best shows the relationship between x, the number of inches on a map, and y, the actual distance in miles? So my numbers are 2 inches, 60 miles. We have miles and inches. So find that point, 2 inches, 60 miles. Number 2. Oscar buys his lunch in the school cafeteria. The cost of 15 school lunches is $33.75. Which graph has a slope that best represents the average cost of lunches in dollars per lunch? So we have dollars per lunch, $33.75 per 15. We have school lunches, total cost. School lunches does not go up to 15, so you have to do something with those two numbers to find that point on the graph. Number 3. The graph shows the relationship between the number of gallons of fuel remaining in the tank of a semi-truck and the number of miles traveled by the semi-truck. Which function can be used to find y, the number of gallons of fuel remaining in the tank of the semi-truck after it has traveled x miles? So every time you have a graph, we should find our pretty points and which equation matches it. So a pretty point right here, and a pretty point right there. Number 4. A coach is ordering shirts for a team. The coach pays a one-time fee of $24. The coach also pays $8 for each shirt ordered. $8 for each shirt ordered. Which function can be used to find C, the total cost the coach pays in dollars when K shirts are ordered? One-time fee of $24, pays $8 for each shirt ordered. Number 5. On a field trip, there are 3 adults for every 45 students. Which graph models this relationship? So find this point. 3 adults, 45 students. Which one of these has that point? Number 6. Which statement about the table below is true? Numbers of hours, miles driven, 0, 0, 2, 150, 3, 225. A, the table represents a non-proportional situation because it has a y-intercept of 0. B, the table represents a proportional situation because it has a slope of 150. C, the table represents a non-proportional situation because it has a slope of 150. D, the table represents a proportional situation because it has a y-intercept of 0. Number 7. The table shows the linear relationship between the number of hours Francis worked and the amount of money Francis earned. You have your X and your Y. These are your X's, those are your Y's. Based on the table, how much did Francis earn per hour? So it's asking what is her slope? Number 8. Which of the following equations represents a proportional situation? Which of these are proportional? Number 9. A company sells candles. The graph shows the relationship between the number of candles they sell and how much it costs to make them. What is the slope of the function? So what is the slope? Find your pretty points. And then what is the slope of this equation? Number 10. The ticket sales for a concert started at 4 o'clock p.m. The table shows the linear relationship between the number of tickets remaining and the number of hours since 4 o'clock p.m. So we have our x's over here and our y's over there. Which functional equation can be used to find y, the number of tickets remaining, x hours since 4 o'clock p.m.? What is the equation of this table?